Hi friends, it's Miss Linda again. I have a book today about birds. If your mom and dad let you listen to some of the bird sounds in one of my daily notes home, you maybe heard lots of different bird sounds. And I heard bird sounds when I was back in the other room sitting on my bed. There were birds singing outside my window. So that's fun to hear during the day. My book is called About Birds. And I got this book when I went far, far away to Tennessee for a conference last year. My book is written by Catherine Sill and it's illustrated by John Sill. And do you know what kind of bird is on the front cover? It's a bird that lays blue eggs. You're right, it's a robin with an orange tummy. So this book is very new. You're the first group I've ever read it to. Birds have feathers. And there's a cardinal. It's a red bird. It's the state bird of Indiana. Did you know that? Baby birds hatch from eggs. Can you see the baby birds hatching? Some birds build nests on the ground. Look at that. Look at those nests. I see holes where they can go in and keep warm and dry. Some build in very high places. There's a bald eagle. See that nest way up in the tree? It's huge. And some do not build nests at all. Those are penguins. Birds travel in different ways. Those are called Canadian geese, and they're flying way up in the sky. Most birds fly. Can you see the tiny bird over here? It's called a ruby-throated hummingbird. But some like to swim. That's called a wood duck. And others run. That bird is called a road runner. Goes very fast. Birds may flock together like in this picture, and those are called red-winged blackbirds. Or they live alone, and there way up in the tree is a great horned owl. Birds use their bills to gather food. Can you see that? They're collecting food in their mouth. They sing to let other birds know how they feel. This bluebird up here, it's called an indigo bunting. And I'm not sure what that one is. That one might be a wren. Birds come in all different sizes. Birds are important to us. Some of us like to just watch the birds flying around outside, or we like to sit in our house and watch through the window when they come to eat food at a bird feeder. And that's the end of my story. It tells more in the back about all the different kinds of birds that we saw in the book. So that's all for this book. When I come back, we're going to do a scientific experiment. So get ready. I'll be back in a few minutes. See you soon. Bye.